I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact device, OS version, and app build so you target the right fix. Once done, backup settings or create a restore point. This prevents data loss if you must revert. Next, restart the app and the device to clear transient states, then reproduce the volume bug one time so you can capture logs and screenshots. Make sure to note the precise steps, timestamps, and any peripherals connected. You now dig into diagnosis by checking system audio settings, driver status, and app permissions because misconfigurations often cause volume glitches. Then, test in safe mode or a secondary user profile to isolate third-party interference. Once done, inspect logs for audio service failures, driver exceptions, or app stack traces. These entries reveal whether the issue is hardware, driver, or app level. You apply the targeted fix based on diagnosis. Update or roll back the audio driver, toggle exclusive audio mode, or install the app patch. These changes address the common root causes. Once applied, verify by reproducing the original scenario and review logs to confirm errors are resolved. If the bug persists, reset audio settings, reinstall the app, or escalate with the collected logs and reproduction steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, test with an external device to rule out hardware. Swap cables and headphones first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.